All right, Peter, tell us a little bit about your Audi A3.
This is my 2018 Audi A3. It's got a few mods, as you can probably tell. Mostly under the hood. I guess we can start there. Just some intake mods that you can't see mostly. If you're in the MQB community, you might be aware of the snow grate delete that a lot of guys do. So I've done that. I also have an AFE drop-in air filter under here. Moving down towards the turbo, we have an ECS tuning silicone intake tube. Made it up to a CTS turbo elbow. And for under the hood, that's about it. You can see I have the RS3 style front end on it with an extra little lip on the bottom, which is sometimes a little bit too low, but that's okay. Coming around the side, you can kind of tell I have my winter setup on right now, so I just have the stock wheels with a set of Blizzak tires, and you can tell it's probably lowered. I have Bilstein B8 struts and shocks with H&R sport springs, so it's about a 1.5 inch drop all around. Carbon fiber spoiler here, and I have tinted taillights and side markers down on the bottom, reflectors, and I have a Borla exhaust, catback.
And the S-Type, correct?
The S-Type, the Borla S-Type exhaust, yep. That's pretty much it for exterior kind of aesthetic mods. It is running an EQT Stage 1 93 octane tune, which should be around 300 wheel horsepower. And that's about it.
Awesome. All right, we'll take it for a ride.
Sounds good.
All right, let's see how this thing goes.
Let's do it.
So Stage 1 EQT.
Yep.
Borla 2.5 catback. It's gonna sound good.
What do you want me to start in sport or?
Yeah, well, so we'll start off in sport, because we're gonna once we hit that road, you're gonna probably want to be in sport. And you said this thing has a burble tune with the stock downpipe.
Uh-huh.
And how is that activated?
So that's only active when the transmission is in
S?
sport.
Okay.
In S, yep.
Yep.
Or if you go into manual from S,
right,
it also stays.
Okay.
But it's a little obnoxious sometimes.
Wow.
It's just,
that is crazy for a. Wow, I see that. That's the thing. Like, I've seen on the forums people always comment about doing a burble tune on the stock downpipe, and it's definitely not the best thing to do, but as long as you probably don't do it all the time,
right.
/ if you consistently do it, because you don't want to flood your cat. That's awesome. I think this is faster than my R for sure. It's fast. Wow.
I don't know how accurate the access port is at measuring 0 to 60, but it did measure a 4.2.
4.2. Wow.
I don't know how accurate that is.
I think the quickest I've gone in my R was a 4.6, 4.7 maybe. It's rated for 4.8, I think so. I've had some pretty quick ones. I can hear your winter tires. Keep in mind, we're on winter tires right now, so.
Yeah.
But the Haldex will always hook, though. I think, what winter tires are you running right now?
These are the Bridgestone Blizzaks.
No way. My buddy, the guy that I did take a right here. Sorry about the late notice. He is running Blizzaks on his car. I think pretty much the same. So that's something you're gonna probably notice once you get into the R is this being a IS-20 with a Stage 1 tune, you get a lot of low end compared to the top end that you really have to rev out the R to kind of feel it.
Yeah.
But this you instantly get that. And how much torque is this running with this tune?
I believe the Stage 1 is rated at 375.
Okay. I see. Wow.
That gets a little old.
Yeah, well, you know what? It's fun. It sounds good with the Borla. It sounds really good. This thing is so fast. And
you want to pull a launch?
if you want to do a launch, you're welcome to do a launch.
I would never turn down the opportunity.
Does this actually have a launch control that pops up saying launch mode activated, or is it just a kind of a brake boost?
It goes into launch. It doesn't say launch control activated.
Okay, yep. So it just builds boost kind of like the GTI did.
Well, here's the thing. It does not hold boost. Can I do it?
Yeah, right here. Yeah, right as you crest the hills, you can see
Alright, yeah.
kind of where you're going into, but
There's a GTI.
yeah. Is it a, oh yeah, how about that?
Same procedure, I'm sure. You just turn off
Yep.
stability.
Yep. That is fast. Yeah, and you can tell it's doing the launch control because it does the rollover, the pre-selected gear.
Yes.
Yeah, because it doesn't do the DSG
pop.
fart. Yep,
Yeah.
exactly. Wow, this
But
thing is fast.
if you check the boost gauge over here on the cob,
Yep.
it doesn't build boost.
Okay.
So I don't know exactly how that. I think if you have an I think the S3s build boost. Your car, they are obviously the same as an S3, probably
Yep.
builds boost.
Yep.
But I believe the GTI and A3, that's with the IS20, don't build boost on launch.
Okay. Huh.
Maybe the GTI is different. I don't know.
I mean, I don't know. All I know is every single time I launch that thing, it would just eat up the tires.
Yeah.
Brakes are good.
They're okay.
Are these same size as the GTI or the S3?
No, they're small.
Okay.
Even the a lot of guys for pretty affordable, easy mod is to put the GTI performance brakes
Okay.
on this.
Yep. Well, see, that's the thing. I must have the same brakes, or I had the same brakes as you because I did not have the performance package.
On your GTI?
Yep.
Yeah, so we must have the same brakes. They do the job.
Exactly. Yeah, the performance package even still you kind of need to. It's a matter of pads and rotors sort of, but that's really for kind of heat.
Right. I don't know if I'd trust these on on a track day or
Right.
anything, but they're good enough for the street.
They fade easily because I've done kink blasts
Oh yeah.
and they fade. They really do.
I've been up there twice in this car, but
Okay.
not since it was tuned. So.
Yep. Yep. Well, everyone, hopefully you guys enjoyed the review. This is Pete's A3. It is wicked cool, and yeah. Anything else to say?
Hope everyone enjoyed the video, and looking forward to maybe making some videos in the future.
Absolutely. Awesome. Stay tuned for the next one, guys. Peace out.